Hi guys, so a recent crash has continued with Cardano and the overall market, and today we will be discussing if this crash is something to be worried about, what you have to do with your crypto portfolio, what I am personally doing with my portfolio, and just overall if this is going to continue, if this is a bearish market or if it's a bullish sign and it's a very good thing, right? So first of all, why is this happening, right? So I won't go into a lot of detail with why this is happening because I'm not the best at explaining this. I have learned this from this guy right here. So if you want to go into some deep analysis on the price chart and the weekly chart and where the support lines are, and that is a lot of the reason why this crash is happening, especially with Cardano, is because I can't explain it all to you, but if you just watch this video and the video this guy did before, I'll link it down in the description, then you will have everything that you need to know if you're interested in how and why this is occurring, right? What I'm here to talk about is simply what I'm doing and what I can recommend that you do. So basically there are some bearish signs here, which means that it could potentially suffer a lot, the price of Cardano, and that is not something that you want, of course, but also this could be actually a bullish sign, because as this guy explains in his video, when the price drops right here, if we take a look at the previous, every time the price has dropped like 50%, which it has done right here, you can see that's pretty much 50% from here to here, from here to here. That was 50% at the time probably, and every time that has happened, you can see what has happened is that it has went down and then it has quickly went up again. He's much better at explaining this in this video, so go watch that after this video. What I want you to do when you have kind of figured out why this is happening is kind of take a step back and take a look at the overall market, and just take a look at what this coin and every other coin has been doing over the past couple of years, because it's important to remember that if you're invested in crypto to make gains, then you will have to be a long-term investor. You can't. It's very hard. Just like investing in stocks and trading, it's very hard to be profitable in the long term if you are day trading, for example. You can do it, but it is most likely very hard, and you will have to make a lot of mistakes before you can actually be profitable. So if you think about what has been happening to this coin over just the past couple of months here, you can see insane growth, right? And it has went down before, and it has crashed before, this coin, a lot of times. If you just see this, crash. There's been these crashes over here. Of course, this is much bigger. Okay, this is like 50% almost crash. So it has happened before and it has recovered from it. And I can say what I'm personally doing, because when this goes down, I have bought in. Let me show you why I bought in. I bought in pretty much right here at not at the very peak, but like right there. And then I bought in like here. So I've lost a bit of money, and I am actually not that concerned about it, because I know for one, the reason that I'm invested in Cardano is not because I'm a day trader. It's not because I'm a short-term investor who just wants to make a quick gain. It's because of these insane technologies that is coming up, and smart contracts is being integrated. The other thing that I can't remember what it's called is being integrated, so other tokens can run on this. I will make a video on it shortly. And basically it's so much beyond any other coin out there. And if we take a look at the market, the other coins, you can see they are also going down. Bitcoin almost at 30,000 again. The thing with Cardano, I'm not worried about it. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to invest more in it if it goes even more down. I've already invested on the downtrending of the coin. I invested even more money when it went down, and now it has went down even more. And what I'm thinking about doing is investing even more, but I won't do that at this price. It's simply not enough downtrend for me to. So kind of how I look at it when I kind of lose, in a sense, money on Cardano is, for one, I know that I'll get it back if I just kind of if I just let it sit for I would say like 3 months. Then there will be a time where it will go back up again. If you like, take the money, put it in, and then it goes completely bearish, right? Give it max a year, then you will have your money earned back, right? So if that's something that you can afford, then I'll recommend it, right? Because this coin, it's just so much better than anything else out there. So yeah, buy low, sell high, right? And I can't tell you if it's going back even more down, but I can tell you if it's going to go like completely bearish, 90% for dip, right? And it's going to end up on like on $0.50 or something like that. What am I going to do? I'm going to buy with every single penny that I have, because I know that it will if it hits that point, which I am 99.9% certain it won't, but I think it can go even further down. I think it can go under $1. I just know that it has so much more upwards potential than what could happen if it potentially were to crash. But remember, don't invest anything that you can't afford to lose. If we take a look at this, I don't know how accurate this is, but you can see there's 2 bullish, 2 bearish, so it's basically 50-50. I don't know how much you should listen to this thing right here, but I don't know how deep analysis this thing goes into, and but I can tell you, if you watch a video like this, then you'll have a great idea about if you want to take all of your money out or if you want to leave it in there. Then you will be completely covered in knowledge, and I can just tell that this coin is going to be great in the long term. So that is what I am investing for, and I'm still bullish on the coin, although it's going completely down. It has such a great community. If you join the subreddit, it is just amazing to see the people who are supporting this coin. It's like Dogecoin, but except this is not a meme coin. This is an actual great coin. Doge is just a meme, right? It's not actually something that will be used and have practical manners. So that is it for this video, guys. This is happening because of some things with the price. It's not breaking through the right support. It's breaking through some support lines that should be resistance lines, and then people get scared and they run away and things like that, right? And I just want to calm everybody down. If everybody were a little bit more calm, then I think this would be much better. But yeah, I can't speak for everyone. Some people would probably think that this is going to go down to $0.1 again, and yeah, if they think that, let them think that, right? But yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out now.